you hook it into this hole right here. Right, so you hook this, so this rotator won't move anymore. If it doesn't have this metal, this will move to the left and right. So right now you hook it, and then make sure that it's in between this gap. And this right here, that's the screw that I'm talking about. Okay, so after you do that, you have to go back to the front of the lawnmower, and you have to push the spring and the other rotator that is on the side of on the front of the lawnmower, for you to be able to insert the lower belt. Otherwise you won't be able to do so. You don't have to remove any spring, you just need to push, and then push. One person has to push, and then the person has to insert this belt. So you need two people to do so. So basically that's pretty much it. I'm going to go to the outside. I'm going to show you where is the other screws that I'm talking about. Okay, so we are on the front of the lawnmower. So that's the first step. That's what I'm talking about. That's the first thing you have to do. You have to remove these four screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to remove this. Then you move this out of the way. You won't be able to take it out, but you will be able to push it back for you to see this spring that I'm talking about over here. So this spring right here, you will be able, it has a metal. Right now I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, that right there, this, wait, yes, can you try, let me see if you can insert your hand there.
Okay.
More. That a little bit to your left, let me see. Left, let me see. This right here, you will be able to push that forward. So the person that is gonna be on this side has to push that all the way forward for you to lose this belt right here. So once the person pushed the spring all the way forward, this you will be able to insert or take off this belt. That's all you need to do. You don't have to take any piece off or anything. So that's the first step, and that's the last step that you have to do. Now over here, you see that hook right there and the screw? That is the metal that I'm talking about, that you have to make sure it's very tight, hand tight. You don't have to use a screwdriver or anything, a drill. It has to be hand tight. Make sure it's very tight, and then it has to be hooked to that metal, which is this whole thing right here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask before you move forward with any steps. If you're not sure to do it, ask before putting hands on it. As you can harm yourself, use gloves for the springs, because you can smash your hand with the spring, and that's it.